Din it-triq bidlitlu ħajtu. Min żagħżugħ mimli enerġija bħolm ma jispiċċa qatt tal-futur tiegħu f'leħħa ta' berqa. ħajtu nqelbet ta' taħt fuq. Kien fl-4 ta' filgħodu tal-5 ta' Diċembru tal-2021 meta Vincenzo Garofalo tilef il-kontroll tal-mutur li kienet isuq fit-triq Valletta fid-direzzjoni lejn il-Mosta. U ftit mumenti wara laqtitu karozza bir-riżultat li spiċċa fil-periklu tal-mewt. Vincenzo kien spiċċa f'koma u qam 10 ijiem wara. Iżda jekk kif fetaħ għajnejh irrealizza li ħajtu qatt mi se tkun bħal qabel minħabba li kien tilef siequ l-lemenija.
I don't remember nothing. We fell from the motorbike. I was driving, and after a car hit me and run away, and I started to sleep for 10 days. And when I wake up after 10 days, I remember just that there was my mother near on the left side that said to me, Vincenzo, you are in the hospital, you remember something? And I said no.
Ix-xhur ta' wara Vincenzo qattaħħom bi żjarat l-isptar sabiex jerġa' jitgħallem kif għandu jaddatta l din il-ħajja ġdida.
In particular, I remember just the last 3 months because for the pain reduced and also the medicine, they reduced the medicine that they give me every day. I start with more than 30 pills every day for the pain, for the phantom pain and for other problems. Because during the coma, when they try to wake up the first time, I had an epileptic reaction.
Issa, iktar minn qatt qabel, Vincenzo irid li jwettaq l-ħolm kollu li għandu u xejn ħadd mhu se jwaqfu milli jasal fejn irid.
I want to arrive to Paralympic, so because in Italy I was a football referee and I love the sport, so this is my second opportunity. And I want to do the Camino of Santiago and do the trekking to the base camp in Everest.
Iżda biex jagħmel dan kollu, Vincenzo qed jappella lil dawk kollha li jistgħu biex jgħinuh finanzjarjament biex ikun jista' jixtri s-sieq artifiċjali li tiswa mal €250,000.
Oh, I'm very okay. Every day I go to swim. I start another time with the gym. Also, if I feel pain, I have a problem and other things. But I can, if you stop, maybe your mind. I don't know how to describe. You have to do all that you want. Also, for example, you are tired. No, you have to, Vincenzo, you have to go, you have to do. And because if you do, you want to day by day more and more and more.
Kristin Mamo għal Net News.